This short video is going to show you exactly how to use AirDrop to send anything from your iPhone to your Mac in just a few seconds. AirDrop is pretty quick and useful because we don't need cables to transfer our photos, videos, and other files. So follow my steps. I'm first going to open the control center on my iPhone, and then I'll click on this little AirDrop icon, and then select this Everyone for 10 minutes option. So I've activated AirDrop on my iPhone, and I'll do the same thing on Mac. My job is to open the Finder application on my Mac and click on the AirDrop option, which should be located at the top left corner of the screen. And make sure that this option at the bottom is set to Everyone, where it says Allow me to be discovered by. So once AirDrop is activated on both devices, you should see your iPhone name appear on your Mac, and you can now transfer your files and other stuff. I'm quickly going to send a couple of photos from my phone to my Mac, so I'll just make a selection here. Then I'll tap on the Share icon at the bottom left corner, and then find this AirDrop icon. I have my MacBook appear in the Share sheet, so I'm going to select it, and then the photos will start transferring. So this is how we can AirDrop from our phone over to our Mac. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and I will see you soon.